Mike, live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Bovine Farm, in a jazz district where it lives, with another impromptu masterclass. But before I go in, don't forget to stop by my world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Bovine Farm on YouTube. Ophelia's Bovine Farm on YouTube. 597 videos, all dedicated to urban farming. So here we are, wrapping it up for the night. What a day. Got a lot done. But still a long ways to go. Which brings us to the point of today's masterclass. The journey of 1,000 miles starts with one single step. One single step. All it takes is consistency and a little bit every day. That's how you can climb over a mountain. That's how you can conquer almost anything. Well, I would say anything. You can conquer anything if you just keep moving forward momentum, and stay positive. And a setback is nothing but a setup for a comeback. And I am so excited because I finally got this checked off my list. Of course, advancing technologies changes, and we have to keep up with it. And I had a very hard time finishing this project, the video screen wall right here. And I say that because technology advances, and you have to keep up with it. And software and stuff goes in and out of getting support and codexes and things like that. But anyway, finally got it done. I'm going to show you. Check out the advertising order reel right here. Oh, look right there. Oh, and if I could wipe off the lens. Oh, there we go. Yes, real food, real chickens, pasture raised, small batch. Let's keep going. The Freedom 3, bam, we love it. The Freedom 3 and a Freedom Dozen right here at Ophelia's Bovine, and that's the hours. We save all the eggs through the week, and that's when we sell them Saturdays right here, 18th and Vine. That's Grandmother Ophelia. Wow, the best things in life appear simple on the surface, but are really hard. That was very hard. It took me a long time. Very proud of that, and that just loops all night long. Of course. So, got that off the list. It's late. I still got to go. Believe it or not, I got to go out to the big farm and check out those chickens. Ha! And it's already 7:30. Oh, it's moments like these that really test the spirit of a person when you want to call it a day, but yet there's still work to be done. Farmer Mike, live from Ophelia's Bovine Farm. This is a live video, live interactive video on this platform. We can connect 147 million people just on Facebook right here. And Farmer Mike giving you the education at Ophelia's Bovine Farm. And oh, Miss Bonnie likes that, Oh, look, I'll show her again. Look at that. Oh, yes, real food, real chickens, pasture raised, small batches, and the Freedom 3, and we got the Freedom Dozen. Yes, and it is what it is. It's a little high, but it's sustainable. That's the world that we live in. You thank the president for that. Anyway, the real price of food. We make no excuses. Have true transparency, and we put a whole lot of work in to create a phenomenal problem. And really, it speaks for itself. So I'm out of here. I got to get out of here. I got to get to the big farm and check on those chickens out there. They're missing me. But I'll see you tomorrow morning. Weather permitting. Tomorrow morning. I'll see you back here, right here at Ophelia's Bovine Farm in the Jazz District where it lives.